let's make over this laundry space. So as you can see from the before photos, this space is transformed. We now have cupboards and a bench top that houses the washing machine and the dryer. This is uncoated at the moment, still a little bit rough. And what we're going to do today is take you along the journey of making over the bench top using a flooring product. So why would we use a flooring product if it's a bench? And the real simple answer is, this is a hard wearing product for a really high traffic surface area in your home. So we want to make sure that we get the longevity out of the product, making the surface the most durable it can be. So we're going to sand the surface lightly, give it a bit of a clean, and then we'll go in with our CFP floor.